these are sliders, which I love to do. I like to do with these potato buns, but I usually get the smaller ones because it's nice when they're small. These come a dozen in a package. I like the one that has 24 in a package because they're smaller. They're about half the size, smaller, and they're fun to use. I like to just put them in the toaster just for a little while, just for a minute, just to warm them up a little bit, and then it gives them a little bit pizzazz, so to speak. But the little ones are easier to use, and especially with this Campari tomatoes, I love to use the Campari tomatoes in this. And nowadays you can get the Campari tomatoes pretty much 52 weeks of the year. I should use a bread knife, I guess. Thank you. All right. Throw these in the toaster for a couple of seconds. Yeah, about a minute. Okay, now I'm going to just slice these tomatoes. It's pretty easy. Again, these are Campari tomatoes, which Joanna washed. And I'll just slice them up. I make them pretty thick because it's nicer for a little juicy sandwich. Okay. How are you coming, Grace?
What? You're coming.
Okay. Oh, thank you, Joanna. God bless everybody. So this is really simple to do. So what I do is I coat the both sides with mayonnaise. Now, there's not much left in this jar, but Oma insists on using every ounce of it. So I have to use these spatulas, which I hate, but I got to use them anyway until I get every ounce out of this thing. So I'm going to use a new bottle as soon as I finish with this. These are, I tell you, these are delicious. I mean, you could eat a dozen of these things. And it's a great, well, the small ones are nice appetizers, but these are pretty much can be a whole meal. Oh, Mom, opening up a new bottle. I know, I forgot all about it.
I was there today.
So you put a whole slice of a Campari tomato on there, like so. Microgreens on. This is the Mediterranean blend. This is our third most popular blend, by the way. All you need is a little bit like that, okay, on each one of them. And then all you do is close them up. It's incredible. Look at it. Upside down, but nonetheless. They are delicious. And it's so easy to make. They're so easy. And and again, remember, not only are the microgreens delicious, but they're also nutritious. Building your immune system, especially these days, you need that. I eat microgreens every day, every meal. Delicious. That's very good. Well, you got the tops on, right? I always get upside down. Great. Another batch. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and follow for more videos.
Yeah!